Hello everyone, I'm Annie from Topa. Welcome to our new showroom. Topa is the professional manufacturer of air compressor, 12 voltage air compressor, PCP hand pump, PCP filling house, and PCP adapter, and other related products. We can provide a one-stop solution for PCP air filling. We will update a new show every week. Welcome, follow us, subscribe us. Then you can see a lot of PCP show. Okay. Before we will introduce many different type of PCP products, just like 12 voltage air compressor, PCP air tank, 220 voltage air compressor, 110 voltage air compressor, and fuel station, PCP well, and pressure gauge. The 12 voltage air compressor, we have many different types. Automatic stop, non-automatic stop, and bigger model, small model. We can provide many different type of color, just like orange, blue, and black. Or 220 voltage air compressor and 110 voltage air compressor are very hot cell. The fuel speed is very fast, and we can provide flat bottom and round bottom air tanks. This is flat and this is round bottom. The 6.8 air tanks are on promote sales. So if you want to, the price is very cheaper. So if you want to get the price, please contact us. We also introduced many different type of fuel station, PCP well, and pressure gauge. Each new show introduced details and feature of those PCP products. You can get a lot of valuable information. If you want to watch it again, please contact us. We will send the link show. We will send the new show link to you. If you want to get more detailed information or want to get our PCP catalog, please follow us, contact us. We will send it to you by email or send it on Alibaba. Okay. Our filling project need PCP house and PCP adapter. The two products are very important during fill process. So today we will introduce the PCP house and PCP adapter. Okay. On our table there are house and adapter. So many different type. We will introduce it to you one by one. Okay, first let's see the PCP house. The PCP house have different lengths, just like 50 centimeters, 70 centimeters, 80 centimeters, 100 centimeters. We can produce it based on your requirement. Okay, let's see this one. This is 50 centimeters PCP house. The working pressure is 630 bar, and the inside diameter is 2 millimeter. Both house end with a yellow PVC shell to protect the hose end. This. Okay, and both end fitting is BSP female fitting, each fitting with a PVC cap. This is BSP female thread. Okay, let's say this one. They are very similar. This is also 50 centimeters PCP hose, and working pressure is 630 bar. Inside the diameter is 2 millimeters. They are same inside the diameter. And both ends also with a yellow PVC shell. Both ends with fitting. This is BSP female with a cap, PVC cap, and this is male 10. This is male M10 thread with a PVC cap. They are very similar, but the end fitting is different. Okay. Oh, this house looks very long. Yes, this house is 10. This house is 100 centimeters, and the working pressure is the same, 630 bar. But the inside diameter is 3 millimeters. This is 2 millimeters. The outside is also different. You can see they are different. This is 2 millimeter and this is 3 millimeter. Okay. Both end fitting is BSP female fitting. We also call this J1 and 8. Both with a PVC cap. The hose end with a stainless steel spring to help protect the hose from bending damage. Stainless steel spring. This is okay. About the PCP hose, do you have any questions? Please send a message on our new showroom. We can discuss. Those house are, this house are 2 millimeter inside the diameter, and those inside the diameter is 3 millimeter. Choose which one based on your requirement. Okay, next let's say this type. These PCP hose generally used for PCP hand pump and air compressors. Okay, let's say this one. This is 50 centimeters hose, and the working pressure is 300, and the working pressure is 630 bar. Inside the diameter is 3 millimeter. The whole hose with a stainless steel spring to protect the hose. The whole. Okay. The both end are M10 male thread. Okay. They are very similar. The length and working pressure inside the diameter is same, but and this thread is also male M10, but this end is 8 millimeter quick coupling. Okay, this. This and fitting is BSP male. They are different. Very similar, but the fitting is different. Okay. This the fitting thread based on your requirement. If you need M10 thread, we will provide M10 thread. If you need a BSP thread, we will provide BSP thread. Oh, this house looks a little special. This is a 50 centimeters house. The whole house with a stainless steel spring to protect the house, and working pressure is 630 bar. Inside diameter is 3 millimeter. Both ends are 8 millimeter quick coupling. Very easy to use. This is a small filter, can fill oil and water. Generally, we use this house on PCP hand pump. And this one is also very special. Not only with the big filter, the house is also very long. This is 80 centimeter PCP house. The whole house with stainless steel spring, and both ends with 8 millimeter quick coupling. The working pressure and inside diameter is the same with this. This is a big filter, can fill oil and water. Generally, we use this on air compressor. On this air compressor. Okay. Do you have any questions about the PCP house? Welcome the message to us. We will help you. Next, let's say the PCP adapter. There are so many different type of adapter. Also have different material. Brass material, stainless steel material, and carbon steel material. Okay, first let's see this one. Very small. This end is 8 millimeter quick coupling, and this end is M8 with an O-ring, black O-ring. Very small. Can you see it? Okay. This one. This and they are same. 8 millimeter quick coupling, but this end is M10 male thread. Okay. This is 8 millimeter. This end is 8 millimeter quick coupling, and this end is 1 and 8 NPT thread. The regulator fitting is use this NPT thread. Okay. Wow. This fitting both end are 8 millimeter quick coupling. Very easy to use. You can see use on this 8 millimeter quick coupling. Okay, let's see the brass material fitting. This is BSP thread, female, and this end is quick coupling. This is also quick coupling, but this is male BSP thread. This is female and this is male. This one, they are very similar, but the thread is different. This is M10 male thread, and this one is M10 female thread. Okay. This is a PCP adapter. Both end thread is BSP male. If you need other thread, we can also provide it. So please send us your requirement, so we can help you check price and produce it for you. Oh, this is a brass plug with 8mm quick coupling. Can use on this. If your hand pump or air compressor cannot working good, you can use this plug to test the pressure. Okay. Well, this is an PCP adapter. Many customers buy this adapter. If your PCP hand pump or air compressor cannot connect your air gun or air tanks, you can use this adapter, then can connect your air gun or air tanks. This thread is BSP female. We also can provide other thread, so you can tell us your requirement, then we can produce it. This material is brass, and this material is stainless steel. Our can withstand high pressure. Okay. My 6手is finished. Do you have any questions about the PCP house and PCP adapter? Welcome, send a message to us. Or if you want to get more information and want to get our catalog, please follow us and contact us. We will help you. Each week we will update 6手, so please follow us. Then you can see a lot of 6手 about PCP products. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.